All right, today we're diving into something pretty fascinating. It's an AI system that's basically an expert talent scout, but for science. And its whole goal, to build your perfect research team, like instantly. It's called ResearchForge AI, and yeah, it is all about speeding up discovery.
So let's start with a question that, I think every innovator, every creator really gets. You got this brilliant idea, right? But you can't pull it off alone. That perfect partner, that perfect collaborator, they're out there somewhere. The problem is, finding them can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack the size of the entire planet.
And that whole search, well, that creates a huge problem. We're calling it the collaboration bottleneck. And trust me, it's way more than just an inconvenience. It's often the biggest, most frustrating speed bump on the road to actually making something new happen. I mean, just think about it for a second. The way we've always done it is just painfully slow. You've got researchers spending months, literally months, digging through thousands of papers, hunting through academic networks, sending out cold emails that probably won't get a reply. And all the while, their amazing ideas just sitting there, collecting dust. It's not just inefficient, it's a massive waste of time that they should be spending on, the actual research. And this slide just lays it out so perfectly. On one side, you've got the old way, the grind, right? Months of searching, endless cold outreach. But on the other side, that's the ResearchForge way. We're talking about turning months into minutes. And that's not just a little improvement. That's a complete game changer, a total paradigm shift. So how in the world does it actually do that? How do you go from months to minutes? Well, the secret sauce is assembling a specialized AI dream team. This isn't one giant AI trying to do everything at once. Nope. ResearchForge uses a whole team of different AI agents, and each one has a very specific job to do, and they all work together in perfect harmony. And that, right there, is exactly what a multi-agent AI system is. It's not one single brain trying to juggle a million tasks. It's way more like a human project team. You've got a whole crew of AIs, and each one is a total expert in its own little area, whether that's digging up data or drafting an email. Okay, and here's the crew. I love this. It's like we're looking at the cast of a heist movie. First up, you've got Data Scout. That's your recon expert, plugged right into all the academic databases in real time. Then there's Profile Builder, who puts together the detailed dossiers on everyone. The Match Engine, that's the mastermind, crunching all the numbers to find the perfect fit. Then you have the Explainer, who tells you exactly why a match is a good one. The Proposal Generator and the Outreach Agent are your comms team. They handle all the paperwork and write the messages. Memory Curator is the one who learns what you like and remembers your preferences. And running the whole show is the orchestrator, making sure every agent works together without a hitch. All right, so we've met the dream team. Now, let's get to the really cool part, the magic of the matching itself. I mean, how does this AI crew actually know who the right partner is for you?
Well, it's definitely not just about simple keyword matching. This thing is way smarter. It calculates a really sophisticated, what they call a six-dimensional compatibility score. So yeah, it looks at the obvious stuff, like skill alignment and whether your interests overlap. Those are the big ones. But it also looks for complementary expertise. What new skills can this person bring to the team? It even digs deep into semantic similarity to find those hidden connections between your work. And this is the real game changer. It's not just about finding a match quickly, it's about finding the right match, based on a whole picture of what makes a collaboration truly work.
And maybe the most crucial point here is just how simple this whole thing is for you, the user. All you do is describe what you need. That's it. And behind the scenes, that whole AI team just springs into action. Data Scout starts finding real people, the Match Engine ranks the best candidates, the Explainer tells you why they're a good fit, and the rest of the team gets all the contact materials ready. It's this perfect, seamless pipeline that takes you from just an idea straight to action. And here's the thing, this whole process doesn't just stop by handing you a list of names. No way. This system is built to give you results you can actually use right now. It takes you from, here's a possible match, all the way to, here's your potential mission. What you get in minutes are real, tangible things. I mean, sure, you get the ranked list of collaborators, but you also get a detailed breakdown of why each person is a good match. You get a fully formed professional research proposal. And you even get a ready-to-send, personalized email to kick things off. It just gets rid of almost all of that annoying administrative work. And the quality of this stuff is seriously impressive. Just listen to this. It's a line from an email the AI actually wrote. I'm confident that our combined expertise could lead to breakthrough discoveries in the field. It sounds so human. It's professional, it's confident, and it's designed to start a real conversation.
This is so much more than a fill-in-the-blank template. It's a genuinely compelling invitation to work together.
You know what's also really interesting? It's how this system itself has evolved. At first, version 1 was pretty simple. It had one central AI brain that would just call up different tools, but then it grew into this true multi-agent system we have now, where all 8 agents are actually talking to each other, just like a real team would. This agent-to-agent way of doing things is so important because it makes the whole system way more powerful and allows it to scale up to handle even bigger, more complex problems down the road.
So, okay, when you step back and look at all of this together, what does it mean for the big picture? I think it's pretty clear this isn't just another new tool. We could be looking at the very future of how we collaborate. And that really gets to the core mission here, the powerful promise of something like ResearchForge AI. It's all about one thing, turning months of search into minutes of intelligent matching. It's about crushing the timeline for innovation by getting rid of that single biggest roadblock, finding the right people. If you can make collaboration almost frictionless, you could fundamentally change the speed of science itself. And that brings us to one last big question to chew on. If an AI dream team can streamline something as complex as scientific collaboration, what's next? I mean, think about it. What about finding co-founders for a startup? Or putting together the perfect creative team for a movie? What other massive human systems out there are just stuck behind that same old bottleneck of finding the right people? Where else could an AI dream team make a difference?